In business English, the phrase to make up is a versatile phrasal verb that can be used in various contexts, each carrying a different meaning. A phrasal verb is a combination of a verb and one or more particles, prepositions, or adverbs that together create a unique meaning different from the individual words. Understanding these nuances is crucial for effective communication in a professional setting. Here are some common ways to make up is utilized in business scenarios. To reconcile after a disagreement. This usage is often applied when colleagues or teams resolve conflicts and restore their working relationships. For example, after their dispute, the colleagues decided to make up and work collaboratively again. To invent or create a story, excuse, or lie. In a business context, this can refer to generating hypothetical scenarios or justifications. For example, he likes to make up scenarios for our strategic planning sessions. To constitute or form a part of something. This refers to the composition or makeup of various elements within a business. For example, international sales make up a significant portion of our annual revenue. To prepare or arrange something. This is commonly used in administrative tasks where preparation and organization are required. Example: the administrative team will make up the conference room for the upcoming meeting. That's all, dear business English enthusiasts. Feel free to practice by creating your own sentences. See you next time.